What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So today's situation is going to be changing the glove box opener. As you can see, it messed up on my truck, and I've been holding it with a piece of Gorilla Tape. Not the best solution, but it held over while the replacement part came in. I got it from LMC. There's a part number. It's real easy to change. I'll show you how to do it right now. First, we gotta remove this tape. Oh man, lift the wrist. I got to clean that off. You can see it was just hanging. It gave out. You know, these little. The previous owner had tape on it already, and it was wedged. So I thought it was, you know, they had lost a key or something, and it had broken, and it wouldn't open. So I come to find out it had tape wedged in there. So when I had it, you know, I just put a piece of tape to hold it while I got the new part. But to change it, it's, you know, simple. You just grab a pry tool. I'm using a flathead screwdriver. This is just a little tab that slides in, so what you want to do is reverse it out, you know, gently, and then start working it, you know, twist it, start working it out gently. Gonna pry it in a little bit. There it is. And it simply just pops out. Clean it up and slide your new one same way it came out. Your retainer clip, just put it back in and you should be good to go. And then you slide your clip. There it is with the clip in. Just, you know, you got to use both hands, but you push your new lock cylinder in and you slide the tab in, lock it in place. There it is. Alright, so I thought I had finished, but you know, you can tell it's aftermarket, it's not original, because the original one has black buttons, or buttons I'm gonna say, and this little plastic cover. This one has the same texture, and it's supposed to be the same color as your glove box and your dash. So that, you know, so I can't figure out how to change these buttons, but I'm gonna change this cover so it could look at least a little bit more original. But I'm gonna have to pop it back out, and the covers, they're kind of easy to take off. You just snap it off, and it snaps off. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but there. So you get the idea. It just snaps off. It has these tabs, and it goes over. So let me change it, and I'll show you the final product. Alright, there it is. You can still see a little bit of miscoloration for some reason. One of them is more faded than the other, but other than the chrome, you know, it looks almost original. There you go. That's how you change it. And see, this is the cover that came with the aftermarket part. So just save it just in case. You never know. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.